Hi, fourth grade. This is Miss Bates. Today is January 15th, and we are looking at the page in your work packet that says Formative Instructional and Assessment Task, and then underneath it says Threatened and Endangered. So we're going to take a look at this little slideshow. And our problem has to deal with maned wolves and dholes. So this is just a little bit of background knowledge, and it's actually part of your problem. Maned wolves are a threatened species that live in South America. That people estimate that there are about 24,000 of them living in the wild. The dhole is an endangered species that lives in Asia. People estimate there are 10 times as many maned wolves as dholes living in the wild. About how many dholes are there living in the wild? So, I have this page. It's the exact same thing as your page, just without the pictures. And we're going to see if we can solve this. I am not going to give you the answer, but I am going to suggest a way for you to find the answer. So it asks us how many dholes are living in the wild, and it also says to show your thinking using a model and an equation with a symbol for the unknown. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to draw a model. I know that maned wolves it told me in our problem that people estimate that there are about 24,000 of them. So I'm going to write 24,000, and then I'm going to draw a box around it. And I'm going to make this box a little bit bigger. Because we do not know how many dholes there are, but we do know that they estimate there are 10 times as many maned wolves as dholes that are living in the wild. So I'm going to draw another box underneath here. And we know that there are 10 times as many. So I'm going to separate this box into 10 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means that 10 times as many, that means that one of these squares is going to equal how many dholes there are living in the wild. Now, another way that you could solve this is you could think about what times 10 gives me 24,000. So I'm going to draw my equation, and I'm going to use a question mark for my unknown. And so you're going to try to figure out how many dholes there are living in the wild. Remember, you have to show your thinking using a model and an equation. And we just talked about that equation right there, and we drew a model, but you still have to finish it by filling in each of these squares down here. So I hope you have a great day. Message me or Miss Graham if you have any questions, and we will see you soon.